Since its foundation in 1908 as a sewing machine repair business, Brother has pursued the diversification and globalization of business in its history of more than 110 years. We have grown by focusing on the development of unique technologies and promoting our businesses that exploit accumulated core technologies while comprehending changing times and always creating new markets. We currently deliver products, services, and solutions with our distinctive expertise in a wide range of fields, from consumer products for homes and offices to industrial products for factories. Underlying our activities at all times is the prompt provision of superior value based on the at your side spirit, which always places our customers first. We believe that being useful and bringing joy to our customers through our products and services will bring us happiness. We have formulated the Brother Group vision at Your Side 2030 to show our direction to fiscal 2030. At Your Side 2030 comprises 3 elements. We have considered what kind of value we will provide to our customers and society, and based on our raison d'etre as our purpose, the vision outlines how we intend to provide value as our approach, and what values we intend to realize by 2030 as our focus areas. Our purpose. By being at your side, we enable people's productivity and creativity, contribute to society, and help protect the Earth. As we have throughout our history, we continue to help unlock people's innate productivity and creativity. By supporting people in their value creation journeys and helping them realize their aspirations and goals, we contribute to a better society. We are also at your side for the environment, focusing on sustainability and on leaving as small a footprint as possible. Our approach. We identify and eliminate barriers to customer success by utilizing our unique technologies and global network. We will understand our customers' value chain, identify their core challenges, and provide unique products and solutions that help them achieve their goals. We will continue developing and enhancing unique technologies across Brother's multi-business portfolio. We will take advantage of our global network of local experts, sales channels, and customer bases. We will expand our portfolio by focusing on adjacencies to our 2 strong assets, technology and global network. Our focus areas. Industrial. Become a trusted, invaluable solutions partner. Printing. Continue leading print innovation and pioneering new offerings. In the industrial area, we will improve customers' productivity, solve their business challenges, and reduce our environmental impact. By doing so, we will gain their trust and become an invaluable partner. In the printing area, even with huge changes in the definition of office work and the printing environment, we will continue to exceed customers' expectations. We will also build new business pillars that expand beyond our existing boundaries. Business introduction. Printing and solutions business. We support the continuously changing business situations of our customers through products such as our compact laser and inkjet all-in-ones for offices and homes, labeling systems and label printers that meet a wide range of needs from home use to manufacturing sites, scanners, and mobile printers, while offering diverse solutions that meet the printing needs of customers. Industrial printing business. Our coding and marking equipment, digital printing equipment, garment printer, and wide format printer ensure traceability, contributing to improved productivity and new value creation for our customers. Machinery business. We help our customers enhance their manufacturing competitiveness through our products, such as industrial sewing machines that are easy to use, energy efficient, and enable high-quality sewing, as well as machine tools that are ideal for machining parts for automobiles, general machinery, and the like. Nisei Business. We respond with precision to diversifying customer needs in fields such as automation and labor saving, which are expected to grow, and contribute to customer value creation through gear motors with a wide range of product variations, high-stiffness reducers that support industrial robots and factory automation equipment, and gears with high precision and quality. Personal and home business. We expand the new possibilities of handmade items with products and services that support customers showing off their creativity, such as home cutting machines and high-end sewing and embroidery machines centered around home sewing machines. New businesses. We will contribute to solving social issues by leveraging our diverse, unique technologies and providing new products and services that respond to social changes. We have grown by transforming our business in response to the needs of customers and society. We have a wide range of businesses, such as printers and industrial equipment, and a balanced proportion of sales revenue by region. Approximately 70% of our employees work outside Japan, and we are promoting globalization of our management framework, such as human resources, which supports our business growth. We have manufacturing, development, and sales facilities in more than 40 countries and regions, offering products and services around the world in line with changing global needs. We will continue facing the issues of our customers and society and solving them. By doing so, we aim to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, identified by the United Nations. We collect toner cartridges and recycle them at factories in Europe, the United States, and Japan, leading to effective use of resources and reduction of CO2 emissions. We carry out tree planting activities to preserve ecosystems at Brother Forest in Guizhou and Guizhou City, Gifu Prefecture, as well as in Thailand, Slovakia, and other locations around the world. We contribute to society through initiatives such as the Golden Ring Project, which creates a circle of support for cancer patients at each of our locations around the world as part of our global employee participation activities. We are promoting CSR procurement that considers human rights and the environment on a global scale and strengthening its commitment toward pursuing a responsible value chain as stated in the materiality. Going forward, we will continue to use our diverse and unique technologies and global network to create value that is distinctive of Brother. We will also contribute to the development of society and the future of Earth by working to solve social issues through business. At your side, Brother.